Host, ever written a check and then panicked because you don't have any stamps? Or maybe you're a freelancer who gets paid by check but hates the hassle of depositing them at the bank. If so, you've probably wondered, can online banks like Ally even handle checks? The short answer? It depends. But fear not, friends, because today we're diving deep into the world of Ally and checks, uncovering everything you need to know. The rise of online banking. Let's face it, traditional banking can be a drag. Long lines, limited hours, and outdated systems, it's no wonder online banking has become so popular. Platforms like Ally offer a convenient, 24/7 solution for managing your finances. From transferring funds to paying bills, all you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. But what about checks? Those little paper rectangles seem like a relic of the past in this digital age. Ally and checks, a complex relationship. Here's where things get interesting. Ally, like many online banks, doesn't offer traditional check writing services. You won't find checkbooks or pre-printed checks waiting for you in the mail. This might seem like a deal breaker, but hold on a sec. There are actually two ways Ally can interact with the world of checks, and understanding these options is key. 1. Receiving checks. Let's say your grandma insists on sending you a birthday check. Don't worry, Ally doesn't leave you hanging. They offer a mobile deposit feature through their app. Here's the drill. Snap a pic. Using your phone's camera, take a clear picture of the front and back of the check. Make sure all the information is visible, including the amount, payee name, date, and endorsement signature, which basically means you're authorizing Ally to deposit the funds. Submit and wait. Once you've captured both images, submit them through the Ally mobile app. The funds will typically be available within a few business days, though standard processing times may apply. 2. Sending virtual checks. Okay, so Ally doesn't print physical checks. But hear this, they offer a service called eChecks. This allows you to electronically send a check payment to someone. It's not quite the same as a traditional paper check, but it achieves the same goal, sending money electronically. Here's how eChecks work with Ally. Pay anyone. You can use eChecks to pay almost anyone, whether they have an Ally account or not. All you need is the recipient's name, address, and bank account information. Schedule and send, set the amount you want to pay, and choose a date for the payment to be processed. Once everything looks good, hit send, and Ally will handle the rest. The pros and cons, weighing your options. So, which option is best for you? Let's break down the pros and cons of both receiving physical checks and using eChecks with Ally. Receiving checks. Pros. Convenient for those who still prefer sending checks. No need to visit a physical bank to deposit the check. Cons. Mobile deposit can take a few days to process. Requires a good quality smartphone camera for clear pictures. eChecks. Pros. Faster than mobile deposit, funds typically reach the recipient within 1 to 3 business days. Secure way to send money electronically. No need to worry about lost or stolen checks. Cons. Requires the recipient's bank account information. Some businesses might not accept eChecks. The verdict, Ally and checks, a case-by-case situation. Ultimately, whether Ally works for you and your check needs depends on your individual circumstances. Do you frequently receive checks? If so, Ally's mobile deposit feature is a convenient alternative to traditional bank visits. Do you need to send out payments regularly? eChecks offer a secure and relatively quick way to get money to someone. However, keep in mind that not everyone accepts them. The final takeaway. Ally might not be your one-stop shop for everything check-related, but they do offer solutions for both receiving and sending check payments electronically. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.